Hello and welcome to another video on Yusuf Onabekun, where we talk about business, marketing and advertising. On today's video, I came across this recently and I can tell you that this is going to go a long way to help improve your Facebook campaign. This is not something you do every time. Probably you can just do it once in 3 months or even twice in a year. Now, this gives you an insight into where your advert is being shown, either within the Facebook various options or even the audience network, which is a collaboration between Facebook and some third parties apps or platforms. Now, before we move further, you can reach out to me via sheson.me if you need me to run your Facebook campaign or Instagram campaign, which we have been doing for the past 10 years, and we've been getting awesome results within Nigeria and out from all over the world. Now, these are some of our campaign which you can reach out and check, and just use the button book your free sessions to benefit from our skills of experience, so that you can also give your business the needed exposure and results that you want for it this 2023. Without much delay, the first thing you want to do is you go to your brand and you go to your brand safety and you land on something like this. As you can see, there is various options. There's control, there's block list, there's publisher list, and there's delivery. What we need to bother ourselves about is the delivery report, where it's going to show where our ad has been shown, and this is applicable. You can see the various placements that is going to show. Now, this is might be a very good one, because if I'm running a Muslim based advert, now I wouldn't want it to show on a Christian based network. Or if I'm running something that has to do with um strictly dating, definitely I don't want it to show on something that has nothing to do with whereby people are looking for relationships and the likes. So this you can easily check out and also block out where you don't want your campaign to show. Now, this is very useful whereby you are running an advert for a particular region or for a particular demography, and you don't want it to show on others. Now, let's use an example here. Phoenix is where, as you can see, it's arranging it from the highest to the lowest. So probably where you want to remove or where you want to start to remove can be from the lowest section, so it can easily optimize to the highest sessions. As you can see, to the lowest, which is it's still 405 pages, profiles, app or URL, is where you can see that it's being shown. As you can see, flash loans live, definitely this might not really be where you want it to be most times, and you can easily, just when you click on it, you can easily add it to your block list, which is going to now it will not show your advert on this particular, probably is a page, or okay, it's even a an app. So most times when you download an app and it's a free version, either you're watching it, using it to watch a movie, or you're using it to do whatever you're using it for, it shows some ads on it. So probably you don't want your ads to show on those platforms. You can easily come here and look at the various things, like probably I don't want my advert to show on Boomplay, I don't want my ad to show on call recorder for whoever has it on their phone and the likes. Now, these are ways whereby you can easily block out your adverts, but this is something I will encourage that you don't do every day. This is something you can just do twice in a year or once in 3 months. This helps you a whole lot. Now, you can see likable, as you can see, where your heart could appear, which is probable places that your heart could appear. Now, Instagram profile feeds, you can see where your heart could appear. You can easily pick it out and add them to your block list. And when you go back to it, 7. So the next one, you can easily check this out. As you can see, Mr. Bean, 5 minutes crafts, Shakira, as you can see. And these are, you can see that there are some that there is no traction at all. Newsfeed, views per video, as you can see. So you can easily even block out channels that you see that there's no really interaction and impression here, and add it to your block list and just focus on all this that seems to have a very good number of views. So this is like 247,000 plus. So that's now left for you. Now you want to do it. And the next one is Facebook instance article. You can see that as well. So these are things that if you feel like this particular ad account, it's for a particular purpose and you don't want the purpose to overlay to somewhere else, you understand. So this just help Facebook to show your ads more to the kind of network that you want, you understand. So these are the benefit of that, and this is where your block list is going to appear if you've blocked anything. So the most important is to just check your delivery reports. This helps you, like I said initially, this helps you to know where your ad is, and you can just take your time to block out one or two if you want to. So that's just how to know where your advert is appearing either on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you very much and see you in my next video.